In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight! Heavy Metal comes out of the square quickly, meets Junkyard Dog. Junkyard Dog spins up the weapon. Now the problem that we saw yesterday, Heavy Metal, when they drive forward, they have a tendency to lift their wedge off the ground, so they have to be careful not to drive forward too quickly, or else the entire wedge goes up off the ground and is not effective as a wedge. I noticed today they're being a little more careful about driving, not going forward quite as fast in order to keep that wedge on the ground. There they are, getting underneath Junkyard Dog, chasing Junkyard Dog now. Junkyard Dog backs away, attacks with the drum. Junkyard Dog making all sorts of fun noises. And here's Heavy Metal underneath Junkyard Dog. Pushes it into the wall, but the weapon's still spinning on Junkyard Dog. Nice compact weapon on Junkyard Dog. Hard for the wedge to get to it. On the other hand, hard for it to get to the wedge. There's some sparks. And there's Junkyard Dog getting the back of Heavy Metal. This fight's halfway over, still have a minute and a half left on the clock. And now Heavy Metal pushing Junkyard Dog into the wall, into the corner, trying to pin it, but Junkyard Dog escapes. 1 minute left now in this middleweight fight. Two robots don't seem to be too afraid of each other. This is a fight in the losers bracket. Each of these robots has lost once so far, so one of these robots, this is going to be its last fight. So they're fighting for survival now. A hit to the side of Heavy Metal's tire with 30 seconds left on the clock now. Junkyard Dog spins the weapon back up. They meet face to face, and now Heavy Metal turns around, faces Junkyard Dog again. Well, this is going to end in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. It goes to a judge's decision.
It's going to be tough.